Hi. I am Alex. Hi there. I recently came across XHAL UK and was really interested in your work with AI. But honestly, I assumed you were just another AI company. You know, prompts, automation, the usual.
Hi, my name is Sana. Thank you for reaching out, Alex. We're thrilled to have you on board. But trust me, XHAL UK isn't your typical AI company. Let me give you a quick overview. XHAL UK was built from the ground up by our founder, CEO, and chief architect, Kuldeepak Kohli. He's a defense physicist, solution architect, and AI visionary with over 30 years of experience. He's worked with global consultancies, governments, and NGOs. His mission: reimagine AI to serve people, not replace them. Our AI isn't just another language model interface. It's a whole new architecture that mirrors how the human brain works, with cognitive reasoning, microcontext awareness, and neural feedback loops. Not scraping data. Not mimicking humans. Actually understanding them.
Okay, now I'm curious. What kind of products are we talking about?
We've spent 4 years building AI that truly thinks differently. Here's what we've created. Teddy AI, currently in beta. A digital companion for special educational needs. Teddy doesn't just assist, it learns and adapts. It connects with our LMS to help educators and healthcare workers support vulnerable learners. Echo Minds. A powerful support tool for individuals facing neurodiversity, anxiety, and mental health challenges. It's more than an app, it's a trusted companion, giving real-time feedback to carers, educators, and therapists via our LMS. And the XHAL AI LMS. Our learning management system isn't your standard setup. It's fast, ethical, neuro-inclusive, and intelligently connected to all our AI tools, making learning more meaningful, responsive, and personalized.
Sounds impressive. But what else sets XHAL apart from the rest?
Great question. Let's talk about our global mission. XHAL Youth Foundation. We work with UNICEF, Christian Aid, and Red Crescent to bring AI tools and education to underserved communities worldwide. Because AI should never create a two-tier future, every child deserves access. Beyond the prompt campaign. We challenge people to think beyond just generating prompts. If we let AI think for us, what happens to human knowledge? We lobby governments and inspire people to ask deeper questions. People First AI campaign. We push for policies that ensure AI supports, not replaces, human work. AI should amplify human value, not erase it.
Wow. So, this really isn't just about tech. It's about ethics, inclusion, and people.
Exactly. And that's what makes XHAL UK different. Check out our exclusive white paper, written by our founder. It outlines our AI architecture based on the human brain. Modular models, each with specific functions. A central cognitive brain that learns, reasons, and evolves. A system trained not just on data, but on how people think, feel, and grow. We didn't just train AI. We trained AI to understand humanity. And now, we're ready to bring it to the world.
I get it now. This is something special.
And don't just take our word for it. Talk to our staff. Test drive our products. Meet us in person at trade shows across the UK this year, and globally next year. XHAL.UK, AI that puts people first. Always.
Thanks, Sana. I'm really glad we had this chat. There's clearly so much more to XHAL.UK than I first thought. It just goes to show, people think they know who XHAL.UK is, but once you have a real conversation, a whole new picture emerges. Let's definitely stay in touch. I'd love to support where I can, maybe even apply for one of your open roles. Commission-based or not, I can see a great future ahead. Thanks again.